Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you a horror intro effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, we would need a smoke effect with a black background and another dark footage. I got mine from Envato. Add the smoke effect to the timeline. Below it, place the text. Adjust it as you like. I'll choose the impact font and scale it a little bit. Then click on the footage, go to compositing, and change the blending mode to pin light. Then put your footage below. We can always add the cinema effect. And then put some scary effect. I'm going to choose this cinematic horror pack. Now let's add some scary audio to it. This horror atmosphere is fitting the vibe the best. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.